Hey guys, Mobile Geezer back with a nice faux leather case from eBay that I first heard about, I believe, from my Project 13, so thanks to him. And this is from a company called HelloPhone Case. That's HelloPhone_case on eBay. And I realized there's a lot of sellers on eBay, but this one has a 98.6 positive feedback, so I thought, okay, let's trust this guy. And I got it in about a week. And the nice thing right now, you can get this case with a screen protector, a glass screen protector, for $11.27. I got it without the screen protector for $11.99, so I guess they're having a little Black Friday sale at the moment, which I gather ends in about 6 days. And I just wanted to show you, it didn't come in anything fancy, it just came in a package and very thin little paper, just says fashion case, and that's it. But I'd say it's a little bit better than the case that comes in the package from OnePlus, and for $11 and change, you can't do better than that. So let's get into it.
Let's do this!
As I said, no fancy packaging, just the two pieces wrapped around a piece of styrofoam, just like the one that came from OnePlus. So the thin little front frame is just like the one that came with the phone. It's got a little indentation all the way around and just clips right on. And here you can see it's better made than the case that comes with it. It's got better grip on the inside, and each lens has its own cutout, including the flash. On the bottom, cutouts for our inside screen's USB Type-C in and speaker. On the right, a nice cutout for our volume up and down, power button. Oh, and the little thin one on the other screen has one for the slider. Up top, cutouts for our inside screen speaker and mic. So let's get it on the OnePlus Open. Just snaps right on quite easily. Just make sure you've got a pretty snug fit. And there's our hybrid stand, just pulls right out. And now we just need to get the front snapped into place. We should be good to go. And once it's on, it's good and solid. Doesn't slip around or anything, so we're good to go. And taking our usual look around, we'll test our volume up and down. That checks out. Our power button real quick. Up top, our front and rear screen speakers and mics. On the bottom, microphone, power in, and front and rear speakers. And there's a quick look at our cutout for the slider. Now we'll just check that stand by taking a quick look at the Mobile Geezer channel. And the stand looks like it checks out very nicely. And as I've said before, some people don't like that full leather feel. I love it myself. So that's the luxury leather case from eBay for the OnePlus Open. It also comes in black, white, and blue. I'll leave a link in the description. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever else you think may be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.
Just one more thing.
We all do better when we love each other.
Started really